Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to our maths class. So, the previous class we are discussed about the subtraction, okay? A new topic, and that is subtraction. Subtraction on the number line, subtraction without regrouping, okay? Today we are move on to a new topic, and that is subtraction with a regrouping. Our topic is subtraction with regrouping, okay? So, our topic is subtraction with regrouping. So, I will show with an example. And this is ones column and this is tens column, okay? So, first we solve the ones column, the digit in the ones column. So, the first one is 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9. What is the answer? 6 minus 9. So, we always subtract a smaller number from a greatest number. We always subtract a smaller number from a greatest number. Here 6 is small than 9. 6 is small than 9. So, what we will do? How to solve this problem? How to solve this problem? Because 6 is smaller than 9, that means we cannot subtract 9 from 6. So, what we will do? So, we are discussing about that. So, we have to borrow 1/10. We have to borrow 1/10 from the tens column. Okay. Here 5 tens are there. We borrow 1/10 from here and the 6 become 16. Okay. Is it clear? We cannot. You should listen this part because it is very important. Sometimes you make confusion about that. So, all of you listen here. We cannot subtract 9 from 6. So, what we will do? We borrow 1/10 from the tens column and 6 become 16. The 6 become 16. So, here 1/10 is decreases and it become 4. It become 4. Is it clear that? Is it clear? So, 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay? 16 minus 7 is? Yes. 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay? That like we have to start from 9 and count it. Yes, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. How many fingers? Yes, 7. So, we write 7 here. Here, how many tens are there? There are 5 tens, but we give 1/10 to the 6. So, here 4 tens are left. So, we write 4. So, the answer is 40, 47. Okay, is it clear? Okay. So, this is the subtraction with regrouping. We have another example. Here also we have to write here. -47 minus 19. This is your question, and here ones column, tens column. Okay. So here 7 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 7 because 7 is smaller than 9. 9 is greater. So what we'll do? The same method we borrow 1 from the tens column, okay, and 7 becomes 17, here 3. Okay. So 17 minus 9. After 9 we can count it 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. We get, yes, we get 8. Next, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 we get 2. So the answer is 28. This is the method of subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Is it clear? Okay. We have another example. Okay, here 72 minus 13. 72 minus 13. So we cannot subtract 3 from 2. 2 is smaller than 3. So what we'll do? Okay, we borrow 1 from here, 1 10 from here. So the 2 become 12 and 7 become 6. Okay, 12 minus 3. We can start counting after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes, we get 9. Here 6 minus 1 we get, yes, 5. So the answer is 59. So this is the method of subtraction with regrouping. That means we borrow numbers from the next column, that is tens column. We borrow 1 from the tens column, and that is subtraction with regrouping. Is it clear then? Okay. So I have another example. -64 minus 39. The ones column and tens column. First we solve the ones column. So here 4 minus 9, we cannot subtract 9 from 4. So what we'll do? We borrow 1 from the tens column and add this 10 to the ones. We get 14. Here it is 5. So 14 minus 9. What is the answer? After 9 we can count it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 6. We get 6. Okay. Next, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 5 minus 3. We get, yes, 2. Okay. Sorry, here 5. Sorry, it is 5. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We get 5. Sorry, it's my mistake. So 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, is it clear? So this is about subtraction with regrouping. Okay. So next is in page number 33, you have some homework like exercise 5, 10 problems are there, you have to complete from your home. Okay. So our next topic is relation between addition and subtraction. Okay. Relation between the addition and subtraction. relation between addition So, our next topic is relation between addition and subtraction. I will show an example. 8 plus 6. So, 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. This is a addition fact. This is a addition fact. Now, we have to write the subtraction fact from this addition fact. How to write? That is 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. After 6 we can count it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We get 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. Next is 14 minus 8. After 8 we can count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We get, yes, 6. So, this is the subtraction fact. So, here we can find a relationship like that. 8 plus 6 is 14. So, 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 we get 8. The same way 14 minus 8 we get 6. Is it clear? So, from this addition fact we can form the subtraction fact, that is 8 plus 6 is 14 and 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. The same way 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay, is it clear? We have some another example, so you can understand well. Okay. 24 plus 4 is 28. 28. This is a addition fact. Now, from this we can form a subtraction fact, okay, and that is 28 minus 4 we get, yes, 24. The same way 28 minus 24 we get 4. So, 24 plus 4 is 28, that is addition fact. Then 28 minus 4 we get 24, 28 minus 24 we get 4. This is the relationship between the addition and subtraction. Okay, is it clear? So, this is subtraction fact. Okay. So, I have another example, that is 10 plus 7 is 17. This is a addition fact. From this addition fact, you have to form subtraction fact, and that is 17 minus 10 is 7. 17 minus 7 is 10. So, this is very simple. If you find out a addition fact, from this we can form the subtraction fact. Okay, is it clear? Okay. So, page number 35, the exercise 6, that is A. Write 2 subtraction fact for each addition fact. Write 2 subtraction fact for each addition fact, and B. First complete the addition fact and then subtraction fact, and C. Fill in the missing number. This all are related to the addition and subtraction fact. So, you have to complete it. Okay. Next one is checking subtraction. Our next topic is checking subtraction. Okay. So, checking subtraction is our next topic. That is, if we solve any subtraction problem, whether it is right or not, we have to find out that. So, this is the method of checking subtraction. I will show an example with an example. 67 minus 42. Okay, 67 minus 42. First one, this is 1's column and this is 10's column. So, here 7 minus 2 is, yes, 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. So, we get the answer, but we have to check whether it is correct or not. So, what we will do? And this is the method I will show you here. So, if you solve any subtraction problem, we have to check it is correct or not, and the method is you have to add the difference, that is the answer with the smallest number on that problem. We always subtract a smallest number from the greatest number. Okay. So, if you find the answer, how to check the answer? By adding the answer, adding the difference with the smallest number. So, here 42 is the smallest number. Then it is adding. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. That is 67. So, yes, it is correct. So, the subtraction is correct. Okay. So, this is a method. How to check the answer? So, subtract the numbers and adding the number, adding the difference with the smallest number. Add the answer is the greatest number, the answer is correct. That is, the subtraction is correct. We have some another example, so you can understand well. Okay. We have like 46 minus 32. Okay. 6 minus 2 is, yes, 4. 4 minus 3 is, yes, 1. Okay. Next, how to check the answer? Yes, we add the difference with the smallest number. So, here 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. So, yes, the same number we get, the same number 46. So, the subtraction is correct. So, this is the method. Adding the difference, adding the answer with the smallest number, we get the largest number. That means the subtraction is correct. Subtraction is correct. Okay. Next, we have 59 minus 17. Okay. So, 9 minus 7 is, yes, 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, we get 42. We have to check whether the 42 is correct or not, the subtraction is correct or not. How to solve? Yes. Add this 42 with the smallest number on that problem. Okay. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, the answer is 59. Yes, the same number. So, the subtraction is correct. Okay, is it clear? This is the method to check the subtraction is correct. That means adding the difference with the smallest number on that problem. Okay, is it clear? Okay. So, we studied about the subtraction with regrouping, without regrouping. Our next topic is, before that, the page number 36, you have some work. Subtract and check by addition. 4 problems are there. You have to complete from your home. Okay. Next is subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit number is our next topic. So, here without regrouping, so here So, here 3-digit means the 3-digit numbers we already learn about it, okay, the number names, their expanded form like that. So, in 3-digit number a new places, and that is 100, okay, ones, tens and 100 is there. So, here the subtraction of 3-digit number without regrouping. So, it is very simple. 5 minus 2 is, yes, 5 minus 2 we get, yes, 3. 8 minus 7, we can count after 7, 8, this 1, okay. 9 minus 4, after 4 we can count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we get 5, okay. Okay, and this is the subtraction of 3-digit number without regrouping. We have another example. So, ones column, tens column, 100 column. We always first solve the ones column, next tens column, then 100 columns. Okay. So, 9 minus 6, after 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the answer is 3. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 we get, yes, 1. 8 minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 we get 6. So, the answer is 630. 630. Okay, is it clear? So, I think it's simple. One more example. Okay. Okay. 5 minus 0, if we subtract, we already learned from our starting of this chapter, if you subtract any number with 0, the answer is, yes, 5 minus 0, that means 5. 8 minus 1 is, yes, it is 7. 7 minus 3 is 7. 3, after 3 we can count 4, 5, 6 and 7, that is 4. So, the answer is 4. I think it is clear. Without regrouping, there is no difficulty, there is no doubt. Sometimes you have make some difficulty in with regrouping, but it is very easy. You can solve more problems from your home and you can understand well. Okay. and this is about the subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. So, page number 37, exercise 8, you have 12 problems. You have today I gave you some more homework, but it is all all the homeworks are simple. You can solve it easily, and that is why I gave you. Okay. So, here 12 problems are there, you have to complete from your home. So, our last topic of this chapter, that is word problems. Okay. Word problems. In addition chapter, we already learned about the word problems based on the addition. We have solved many problems. Here are some examples, word problems you already familiar with. So, I have a question here, page number 37. There are 169 chocolates in a bowl. There are 169 chocolates in a bowl. Smita gave a chocolate each to 105 students. Smita gave a chocolate each to 105 students. How many chocolates are left in the bowl? How many chocolates are left in the bowl? That means you have to find out how many left. So, if you get a word problem, first you write the things in that your problem. So, here chocolates are there and students. So, first you write the number of chocolates in a bowl. Number of chocolates in a bowl, how many chocolates are there? Yes, 169. Next is, how many students are there? Number of chocolates given student, number of students 105. What we'll have to find out? Number of chocolates left in the bowl. We have to find out number of chocolates left in the bowl. So, what we'll do? Yes, we subtract number of students from the number of chocolates. So, here the solution is 169 minus 105. Sorry, we can solve here. 169 minus 105. Okay. So, 9 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we get 4. 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 minus 1, 0, no need to write. And the answer is 64. So, 64 chocolates left. So, by this method we can solve the word problems. If you get a word problem, write all the details, all the things in that problem. Okay, like this way we can solve a word problem. Okay, we have next question. Here Rajan bought a pack of 67 pencils. He gave away 45 of them. How many pencils are left with them? So, he bought a pack of 67 pencils. He gave away 45 of them. How many pencils are left with them? So, you have to find out how many pencils left. So, the thing is that number of pencils. How many pencils are there? 67 pencils. Okay. Next, number of, he gave away 45 of them. Number of pencil gave. How many pencils gave? 45. So, what will have to find out? Number of pencils left. So, we have to solve 67 minus 45. 67 minus 45 here. So, 7 minus 5 is? Yes, it is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So, 22 pencils are left. Here the answer. We already learned how to check the answer. We have to check this answer. It is correct or not. What we will do? We add, yes, the difference with the smallest number. So, 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. Yes, we get 67. That means the answer is correct. Okay. So, next question is, a florist has 268 red roses. A customer bought 136 of them. How many red roses are left with the florist? Okay. So, here we have to find out number of red roses are left. Okay. So, first you write number of red roses. Second problem. Third one is number of red roses. So, this is the method to solve the word problem. Number of red roses are 268. 268. Next one is, a customer bought 136 of them. Number of roses bought. How many roses bought? 136. And what will have to find out? Number of roses left. Number of roses left. So, here we are subtracting, yes, the larger number from the smallest. Eight minus 6 is, yes, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. And 2 minus 1, 1. This is the answer. If it is correct or not, we can check it. So, six plus 2 8, 3 plus 3 6. Yes, we get the same number. So, the answer is correct. So, this is the method of solving the word problems. Okay. So, Page number 38, 3 remaining problems are there. You have to find out from, you have to solve from your home. Okay, this is about today's chapter. Okay, so what are the topics we are learning today? What are the topics? Yes, subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping means, yes, we borrow one from the next column, and that is the subtraction with regrouping. We have solved many problems and you have some homework also. You should complete from your home. Okay. So the next one is addition, a relationship between the addition and subtraction. So if you get any addition problem, for solve it, from that we can find out, we can form the subtraction fact also. We have some examples and some exercises also you have to complete from your. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Next is checking subtraction. If you solve any subtraction problem, if it is correct or not, we have to check it. So what we'll do? Yes, we add the answer. We add the answer or difference with the smallest number in that problem. If we get the larger number, that means the answer is correct. Okay. Next one is subtraction of 3-digit number without regrouping, and last one is word problem. Okay. So this is about our chapter. Our chapter is completed. I think you had understood all the concept. Okay. This is our winding up time. Thank you so much.